Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what I like to do is to create videos that I would have found helpful when I first got out looking for treasure. Now this one was something that I paid, it was like 20 bucks plus shipping when I checked it. And honestly, looking at the pictures, which I will make sure I include at the end of the video, I always try to include the pictures of whatever eBay lot I bought at the end of the video. And if I fail to do that, I will post it on my communities tab. But I'm not 100% certain why I purchased this one. I think it was late and I thought I saw something, maybe. So we will find out what this cheap little jewelry lot contains. Now, I tend to find that when I buy a lot of jewelry off of eBay, if I hope it has something, it doesn't. I tend to find that people on eBay, they know what they're doing. And if they're jewelry people, they really know what they're doing. Now, I'm typically, if you watch my channel, I am typically after like gold and silver. So when I'm looking at stuff like this, that's kind of interesting. When I'm looking at stuff like this, I'll use the magnet here to just quickly go, hey, this is probably not going to be anything, this particular chain. Nope, that's just steel. But now that I'm looking, I think maybe these earrings are why I grabbed this. I'm not certain. Let's dump it out. There's not a lot in this lot. It's going to be a quick little one, isn't it? That's kind of pretty. So it's a very dainty little chain. Let's see if the magnet does not attract it. Probably gold fill. Given that this was an eBay lot, it's very nicely made. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That says 14K, doesn't it? Let me double check with the loupe. Well, sure enough. Okay, well, that's unexpected. Got a little 14 karat necklace. This pendant doesn't look like it, so you know what? I will make sure in a moment here that we actually figure out exactly how much I paid for this. Because getting a nice little 14 karat necklace in an eBay lot, that is an unexpected treat. That bodes well for what I've been staring at here, because these look kind of good. But let's just double check everything, shall we? That does not look like it's going to be. Nope. Let's check the last things here. Those don't react to the magnet. That doesn't react to the magnet. Oh, this might have been why I bought this. I like opals. Huh. Interesting. It's kind of an old, very old style. Might be gold. I don't see any marks that indicate that it is, though. Well, I think on this video, two things are going to occur. We're going to go hit the gold test spot, and we'll check this out. And I'll also tell you exactly how much we paid for this. Okay, now these look pretty good in person. All the stones are properly held. You can see here they're all held in place by metal. They're not glued in place. So that's a good sign. Good sign we're looking at quality at least. Let's see if this back says anything. 925, so that's a silver back. Is the other one silver? 925, that's good. Let's look along the post. Do we see anything? any marks lurking anywhere inside of this. Sometimes with gold, only one will be marked. Am I seeing words there? I don't know. Well, you know what we can do, though, is we can gold test these puppies. Oh, I think I see something right there, don't I? You see what I'm looking at right there? Let me check with the loupe. Sure enough, that says 14 karat. Woo, nice lot. All right, let me, we still need to gold test this because this looks like it could be gold and then this could be gold up here. But yeah, I don't see any reason to suspect that's not gold. I don't see any reason to suspect that's not gold. So the question is, what is this? Let's go ahead and go gold test this, and I'll also get you a actual total with shipping as to how much I paid for this thing. Okay, as is sometimes the case with eBay lots, there was quite a bit of shipping. So I actually paid $28 for this lot, but by the time the shipping got factored in, it was a whopping $40. So always double check your shipping. Okay, so we gave this a good scratch. I want to see if this is maybe gold, and then we're gonna hit the back of this so that it's not damaging anything on the front, because that's one of the things to keep in mind about acid testing with a stone, is you are damaging the piece. Not much, but now I'm gonna do this 2 times just in case it's plate. That first one should get through the plate, and then the second one, which we're gonna use, should be down to whatever the base material is in case it was plated. All right, so let's go ahead and, okay, let's hit this with 10 karat. I think 10 karat is what we might hope to expect out of this. And then I can't remember which one because I just paused a moment ago because my children came up and asked me some questions. So that is looking good. Let's hit this with 14. Let's do a little dot of 14 there. See if that's it. Okay, so I think we have a real proper result. Look at that. 14 goes straight away. 10 holds strong. I think we've got 10. Let me go wrap this up. All right, we're back. So that's a solid 10 karat piece, which honestly that's probably what I was thinking when I bought this. I was hoping on these, but I was expecting that to be 10 karat. That's a total surprise. Yeah, buddy, what's up? Okay, I'll check out your Christmas dress. Yeah, it's just like the other one. We can fold up the sleeves. Okay. I like it. Christmas dress time. Okay, let's see. How much 10 karat did we get? We got 0.7 grams. I think, now, I'm not going to actually say what the current going price of gold is to make this video last a little longer. Precious metals are going crazy, but you can check that out yourself. 0.7 grams of 10 karat. At the moment, that definitely paid for this whole thing. So then the question is, how much 14 karat did we get? We got 2.86 grams of 14 karat. With that, I think we'll finish out this video. I am well pleased with that outcome. I feel like we did very well for our $40. I think we did exceptionally well for $40. But with that, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment, leave a comment about anything I did wrong or anything I could have done better. And most importantly, I hope that you were able to learn a little something in this video, which you can use to go out and find yourself some treasure.
Like this, I've been Thomas.